Yeah, so there's a series of force plate tests that we've been conducting, a few vertical jump tests which give you sort of an overview of lower body neuromuscular power, and a few strength tests as well. We've done an isometric mid-thigh pull, which gives you a sort of an idea of peak strength, if you like, in simple terms. And then we've had a couple of isometric hamstring and isometric calf tests as well, which will give you a sort of an indication of any sort of strengths and weaknesses in specific muscle groups that might, sort of tailor into the training program around injury prevention. Later on, we'll sort of sit down with the data, put a few reports together for every single player. They'll get an overview of what they need to work on, a bit of talent ID, if you like, as well. Look at the strengths and weaknesses, and basically what they need to work on in the program. So that might be a combination of sort of strength-based training, any ballistic style training, plyometric-based training, to sort of develop the lower body strength and power, basically. Yeah, basically, I think with a team like us guys, I think there's like 8 to 10 of us here today, so we can conduct a range of different tests, and through the help of the guys at Salford Uni, but specifically Dr. John McMahon, who's put together a really good sort of benchmarking spreadsheet where we can develop reports based on that. We can provide each athlete with an individual development report that they can take away. And what I myself have worked in clubs where it's kind of just myself trying to provision lots of different tests and producing reports. It becomes very general, and you just sort of you're working off guesswork, if you like. But today we've got a lot of objective data for each individual player, and they know specifically from this point onwards throughout the rest of the season what they need to work on.